Hey guys, another What's on the Bench. This is a Lowden. It is a 032 model. This guitar is owned by my good friend Josh Brown, local singer, guitar player, and we've just installed a LR Baggs Hifi Duet system. These have only been out for about a year and a half, something like that. They're like their new flagship model from LR Baggs, and it's the first one that I've ever fitted. Annoyingly, they normally come with a little jig setup, so you can put them through the normal bridge pins. But obviously this is a Lowden and it's strung through the top, so I had to come up with a bit of an ingenious way of how to install it, which we've put on another video. Maybe I'll put it here or in the description, and you can watch that. Hopefully it will be useful if you own a Lowden and also want to install a Hifi Duet pickup. You can see how we did it. This thing's lovely. Lowdens are lovely guitars. I always think of them as big strummers, you know, not really like finger picky guitars necessarily. You know, they're made in the kind of the Irish folk tradition, and but yeah, they're big sounding, beautiful guitars. Yeah, big, massive guitars in size and sound. This is rosewood and a spruce top. I think Lowden tops are a bit thicker than normal, which maybe that's helps with the projection or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, we've just done another video about installing this pickup, and yeah, it was a bit of a head scratcher to work out exactly what we needed to do, but we came up with a few little tricks. It was previously installed with a LR Baggs Anthem, but it wasn't installed correctly. It was a couple of holes had been put into the guitar that shouldn't have been there. It should have been installed with a split saddle, not a single saddle, but we used one of the holes to our advantage. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, what to say? A Lowden. They're just great guitars. Funnily enough, we almost became, according to Steve, a Lowden dealer years ago. I think Steve went to go and meet with, is it George Lowden? And they just couldn't come up with a deal in the end. And so we didn't become a dealer, and this was probably 20 years ago or something like that. So yeah, just one of those things, missed opportunity, or wasn't meant to be at the time. But yeah, obviously they became a really big guitar manufacturer. They do all the Ed Sheeran guitars, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, really beautiful guitars, really cool. And then an amazing pickup system. The Anthem, the LR Baggs Anthem that is that we install in most really nice guitars are a really amazing system. But this is, yeah, now it's the new flagship. It really is like it just sounds like the guitar but louder. It doesn't have a piezo. It has two sensors and then sort of a microphone. And yeah, it sounds great. If you want, look at that other video. At the end of it, there should be a little demo, so you can hear how it sounds. And yeah, it just sounds like the guitar but louder, really. What I would like to say is thank you to everyone who watched our last video. It's got like almost 3,000 views. I think it's like 2,500 views. We'll probably be buying a few more Japanese guitars and doing some more unboxing throughout the year. So yeah, hopefully that's not all you'll watch, because it'll cost me lots of money if I have to just constantly keep buying guitars from Japan and unboxing them just to get views on YouTube. But there you go. We're recording this at the end of a Saturday. It's been a good day, good start to February. So yeah, we'll just keep on going. So yeah, thank you to everyone who supports us. Thanks for supporting the YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification, all that stuff. It really helps us out, and it gets us viewed by other people and people to know about the shop. If you've watched some of these videos but you've not come down, please come on down, meet me and Jake. You might even meet some other cool people. You just never know who's in on a Saturday. There are annoying people that hang out on a Saturday, but that's just the way it is, isn't it? Joking. I'm talking about the cameraman. He's looking all sad.
I thought we were talking about Joe.
Joe?
Joe King.
That was a marketing joke if ever.
Talking about Jake. Jake King. Yeah, so thank you very much. This was just a quick one. Yeah, peace and chicken grease, I suppose.